Imagine holding a diamond, a crystal so rare, so valuable, that people have crossed oceans and fought wars for it. But what if I told you this diamond didn't come from deep underground? It didn't take 1 billion years to form. It was made inside a factory from simple black carbon. Today, we're stepping inside a $1 billion diamond factory to watch one of the most unbelievable transformations on Earth. From carbon to crystal. Welcome to Factory Fortune. Natural diamonds form more than 150 kilometers below our feet, under pressure so extreme it can crush steel, and temperatures hotter than molten lava. That process takes millions, sometimes billions of years. But modern factories have learned to copy nature. Using machines the size of small rooms, they can turn carbon into a diamond in just 20 to 30 days. And the result? A stone that looks identical, shines identical, and tests identical to a natural diamond. Our journey begins with pure carbon powder. This powder is collected, purified, and placed inside a sealed chamber. All the air is removed until it becomes a near vacuum. Then energy blasts into the chamber. Temperatures rise past 4,000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the surface of some stars. The carbon doesn't melt. It transforms into carbon plasma, a glowing storm of energy where atoms break apart and begin to rearrange. This is the first step toward becoming a diamond. Now the carbon enters the heart of the factory. The HPHT press, short for high pressure, high temperature. This machine recreates the conditions found deep beneath the earth. Inside a metal cube, a tiny diamond seed is placed. Carbon is packed around it. Then pressure begins. Over 1.5 million pounds squeezing from every direction. Heat climbs to 1,600 degrees Celsius. Under this extreme environment, carbon atoms leave their old structure and lock into the strongest atomic arrangement known to science, the diamond lattice. Days later, when the machine cools, a new diamond exists. When the metal cube is opened, the diamond doesn't look like jewelry. It looks like a cloudy yellow stone, almost like frozen honey. But inside that rough crystal is pure diamond. Workers cut away the outer layer, and the bright, transparent core appears. This is where the impossible transformation becomes real. Carbon has officially turned into diamond. Some of these crystals grow up to 20 or even 25 carats before cutting. Now the rough diamond enters the laser lounge, a room filled with robotic arms and high-precision cutting lasers. Here, every millimeter matters. One wrong cut, and the diamond loses thousands of dollars in value. The laser slices the stone using microscopic accuracy, splitting it into shapes like the brilliant cut, princess cut, cushion, or oval. This is where raw crystal becomes a gemstone. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance on Earth, so polishing them requires another diamond. Polishing wheels coated with diamond dust spin at extreme speeds. Workers gently press each facet against the wheel, shaping the sparkle we all recognize. A single diamond can take hours to polish correctly. Every tiny surface must reflect light perfectly. This is the stage where diamonds get their fire, their brilliance and their iconic shine. Before leaving the factory, the gems enter a high-tech grading room. Here, machines measure clarity, color, carat weight, internal structure, and light performance. Diamonds that pass these tests are certified, ready for luxury brands, jewelry stores, and global markets. Others are used in industrial machines because diamonds can cut almost anything on Earth. And that is how something as ordinary as carbon becomes one of the most valuable crystals on the planet. A transformation copied from the Earth itself, but perfected inside a factory. If you enjoy amazing factory processes, industrial secrets, and engineering transformations, don't forget to subscribe